Welcome to Part 5 of Drinks Vocabulary. 41. Drink. Meaning, to take liquid into your mouth and swallow it. Example. Please drink more water every day. Synonyms: sip, consume. Antonyms: spill. 42. Sip. Meaning, to drink something slowly in small amounts. She sipped her hot tea. Synonyms: taste, drink slowly. Antonyms: gulp. 43. Pour. Meaning, to make liquid flow into a container. Please pour me a glass of water. Synonyms: fill. Antonyms: empty. 44. Bottle. Meaning, a container used to hold drinks. I bought a bottle of water. Synonyms: container. Antonyms: cup. 45. Cup. Meaning, a small container used for drinking. She is holding a cup of tea. Synonyms: teacup. Antonyms: bottle. 46. Glass. Meaning, a drinking container usually made of glass. He drank a glass of milk. Synonyms: tumbler. Antonyms: bottle. 47. Mug. Meaning, a large cup used for hot drinks. My coffee is in a mug. Synonyms: coffee mug. Antonyms: glass. 48. Thirsty. Meaning, feeling the need to drink something. I am thirsty after running. Synonyms: dry. Antonyms: full. 49. Refreshing. Meaning, making you feel fresh and less tired. This cold lemonade is refreshing. Synonyms: cooling, revitalizing. Antonyms: tiring. 50. Cafe. Meaning, a place where people buy and drink coffee, tea, and other beverages. We met at a cafe yesterday. Subscribe to AVETRA EDU for more English lessons. See you in the next course.